a small video on how to use the upstairs shower. As you can see, there is a large shower head and a handheld small shower head. I will show you on the controls how they work. So over here to our left, you will see on the dial that the larger head is at the top and the handheld is at the bottom. To use these, you would press the button, you would tilt towards yourself, that would turn on the small handheld. To turn that back off, you would return back to its original placement. To turn on the larger shower head, you would come back to the controls, you would press the button in, turn away from yourself. This will then turn the larger head of the shower on. To turn that back off, again, you would take it back to its original place. To change the heating of the water, you would come over to your right hand side. On here, you can see that it says 38 and it has an arrow up and an arrow down. It naturally sits at the temperature of 38. To turn the temperature up, you would turn towards the wall. To turn the temperature down, you would turn towards yourself. To keep it at 38, you would keep it in its original position. This is how you use the upstairs shower. Thanks.